In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a circle image. We'll do this quickly and cleanly in Photopea, a free browser-based editor that works a lot like professional desktop tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a precise circular selection around the part of your image you want to feature. Start by opening your image in Photopea. If the app is already loaded in your browser, bring in your picture so it appears on the main canvas. You can open a file directly from your device or drag it onto the workspace if that's easier. Give Photopea a second to load the image at its original size and make sure the whole subject is visible. If your image looks too small or too large on screen, adjust your view so you can clearly see the area you plan to highlight. Next, we'll choose the right selection tool. Look for the rectangular marquee icon in the toolbar on the left. Click and hold that icon to open the flyout and switch to the Ellipse Select tool. This is the tool that allows you to create circular and oval selections. Before drawing, glance at the settings bar at the top to confirm you're creating a new selection. Keeping anti-aliasing enabled helps the edge look clean and smooth, so your circle won't appear jagged against the background. Now make the perfect circle. Move your cursor to the spot where you want the circle to begin. Click, hold, and drag to draw the selection. While you're dragging, hold the Shift key. Holding Shift locks the proportions so your shape stays a true circle, not an oval. Keep an eye on the edges as you drag to include exactly what you want inside the circle. If you need to reposition the selection while still holding the mouse, you can nudge it by dragging inside the outline before you let go, so the subject sits neatly in the center. Releasing the mouse finalizes the circular selection. Releasing Shift only after you let go of the mouse preserves the perfect shape. Take a moment to check the circle's placement and size. If it isn't quite right, simply draw again with the Ellipse Select tool and Shift held down until the framing feels spot on. This gives you a clean, crisp circular boundary around your subject, ready to use wherever you need a round crop. That's it, quick, precise, and consistent every time. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating perfect circle images in Photopea.